Right. Another part to add. This is the OEM Plus part. Yeah, so Lexus started leaving these parts off cars. On my 2014, this existed, but on this car, it does not. So I'm gonna snap that in. That's the part number right there. Really quick and simple one. Take it out of the bag, do a quick examination. It's just a plastic cap, nothing too exciting. Hopefully this clips in. Bought it for a 2003 Gen IS, which looks like the same piece, I believe. Or I had the same piece on my old 2014 IS. So hopefully this is the right part. Should be easy. Yep. So fits perfectly fine. Yeah, so you can see it clips right into place. So I'm just gonna wrap it around here, call it done. I don't need to disconnect the ground because it's not clipped into place yet. So you just have to slide this on really quick. Alright, it's in place now. And then this just clips in. Done. Yep, that's how it looks. It's one of those dumb mods, I guess. Now that I have nothing more better to do. OEM Plus, something that Lexus left out to drive the price of the car down a little bit. I mean, here and there. Not much for this car. I forgot how much I paid for it. But I'll leave the part number at the bottom. You can look it up. Alright, one last look. I noticed earlier that one was a different shade of gray. Or black, I should say. It was just a little dusty. I wiped it down. Now the two black plastic are the same color. Just wanted to add that just in case somebody spotted it. Alright, that's it.